Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessie and today I'm sharing with you how I decorated my wreath. I got this cheap $3 wreath on sale on Black Friday from Michael's, and I am adding some battery powered lights to it right now that I picked up from Dollar Tree, and also a bunch of picks that I picked up from Dollar Tree as well. And here I am trying to make a bow. It's been a while since I actually had made one, so I kind of forgot how to do it. And also I forgot to pick up some floral wire, so I'm just using the wire from the picks that I bought. It worked out. It was okay. Sometimes you have to improvise. It wasn't my best bow, but it worked. My favorite way to use ribbon is to make little curly cues. I can weave it in and out of my garland and out of my wreaths. I just think they're so cute. My first one was perfect. The second one I messed up. I used 2 finger lengths instead of 1, and it was too big, but I ended up working it out. I never know how my wreaths or my garlands are going to turn out when I start. It's always improvising and always sort of just like problem solving on the spot. I found this little ornament at the Dollar Tree, and I wanted to add it in on my wreath because I just thought it was so cute. And here is my finished product. It is about an $8 wreath in total. I think it's really cute, and I love how it makes my garage door look when I come in. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe. I make videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I also make a Ray Done series on Sundays.